It is a journey, not the destination. In this video, you will watch just
Okay, bye.
4 days
Bye.
trip.
See the size. I'm in Nepal now. হার্টের অসুখ ওষুধ নিয়ে স্প্রে নিয়ে we are here.
On the way to Sandakphu, day 1, part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, a journey from NJP via Mirik and the breathtaking Gopal Dhara tea estate. Go, check that out. Day 1, part 2.
फर्स्ट फ्लशिंग अप्रैल में इसको प्लग करता है
अच्छा
और फर्स्ट फ्लशिंग ये जापान जाता है जापान में जाता है ये बहुत महंगा कॉस्ट होता है इधर में तो थोड़ा कम ही मिलता है
अच्छा
जापान में बहुत
फर्स्ट फ्लशिंग
फर्स्ट फ्लशिंग
ओके
अप्रैल में बोलता है
अप्रैल में राइट साइड इंडिया
After a warm lunch, we began our ascent towards Tungling.
माना व्यू पॉइंट
Our next stop was stunning Simana viewpoint. From there, the view of Manibhanjan, our upcoming destination, was simply surreal. We recharged with some hot Maggie, Aditi's favorite, momos and omelette, and of course, hot tea. Soaking ourselves in the chill and the charm.
Maggie and my omelette. Momo is ready.
We descended past lush ferns and misty slopes to reach Manibhanjan.
ये नेपाल. You're going to school? This side Nepal and this side is India. Right side is Nepal, left side is India. এটা নেপাল আমি নেপালে এসে গেছি আমি নেপাল নাও and now I am in India. অদিতি কি করছে দেখো মস কালেকশন চলছে
At the visitor center, I registered our details, shared other information, and we switched vehicles, hopping into rugged Bolero for tougher climb ahead. The clouds played hide and seek with the sunshine as we passed a monastery veiled in mist. Amidst the journey, I spotted wild strawberries, the Fragaria vesca, and the stunning calla lilies that looked like nature's art.
এটা কি ফুল See the size. So beautiful. এরকম সব হয়ে রয়েছে ভর্তি দূর থেকে মনে হচ্ছে যে গাছ থেকে ফুল পড়েছে আর সবকটা ফুল সোজা সোজা হয়ে পড়ে আছে তো ফুলের পুরো বৃষ্টি অপূর্ব অপূর্ব
Border checks followed again with Aadhaar copies and vehicle numbers noted by the army personnel.
Seema Suraksha Bal. So we have to show our either passport or Aadhaar card here. And give the name
With
of
every
number of the
bend,
vehicle also.
the air turned cooler, and then came the thrill. We were literally driving
Simanta
on the
Chowki.
Indo-Nepal border. To our left was Nepal, to the right India. It felt like riding between two worlds.
ফুল ভর্তি সুন্দর ছোট আগেই মেঘ ছিল, কিচ্ছু দেখা যাচ্ছিল না, এখন একদম ঝকঝকে রোদ।
The very first glimpse of the blooming rhododendrons took my breath away.
প্রকৃতি তুমি এত
Scarlet
সুন্দর।
bursts lighting
মেঘও
up
ভেসে যাচ্ছে।
the mist-laced forest like nature's celebration. I couldn't contain my excitement, jumping from one side of the vehicle to the other, desperate to capture every vibrant hue on my lens. But the calm smile of Pemba, our guide and driver, gently said, "This is just the beginning. As we climb higher tomorrow, the mountains will gift you even more." And with that promise, my heart soared higher than the hills themselves.
Particularly this time. ওই যে আমাদের গাড়িটা দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, বোলেরো, মানেভাঞ্জন থেকে যেটা নিলাম। নাও অন দ্য ওয়ে টু টুমলিং, আজকেই কিন্তু এনজেপিতে এসে নেমেছি, অ্যান্ড সো ফার উই কেম। ওয়ান্ডারফুল জার্নি, আহা, নীল আকাশ, উফ কি দারুণ লাগছে। উফ, such a lovely place. জয় করে ফেললাম, জয় করে ফেললাম। এজ ডাজন্ট কাউন্ট। হাঁটু ব্যথা, হার্টের অসুখ, ওষুধ নিয়ে, স্প্রে নিয়ে, we are here. বাস মনের জোর থাকলেই হলো। That's it. We can reach anywhere and everywhere. And of course you should have a very good company.
Same for me also.
Yeah.
Same for me.
Tumling, a serene gateway on the Sandakphu Trail, nestled at an altitude of approximately 9,600 to 9,744 feet. Tumling is a picturesque hamlet that serves as a vital stop for the trekkers embarking on the iconic Sandakphu journey in the eastern Himalayas. While geographically located within the Iliam district of Nepal, its seamless border with India allows for unrestricted movement, making it a popular and accessible overnight halt for those traversing the famous Singalila Ridge. Tumling, what a magical little hamlet. With barely a handful of cozy homes and warm-hearted locals, Tumling welcomes travelers with unmatched simplicity and soul. The moment we arrived, a strange calm surrounded us. Clouds drifted through the narrow paths. Wooden homes stood quietly, and the prayer flags fluttered gently in the wind. It wasn't just a stop, it felt like time
Hot water
has
is available for bathing also. Oh,
Our homestay was modest
Who is
but comforting.
here?
Wooden floors,
What a
woolen
lovely-
blankets, smiling hosts,
What's
and
the
steaming buckets of water
ठीक है,
in
आप दे
place of
दीजिए, ठीक है?
showers. And yet there was everything we
got
needed:
it.
warmth, care, and a
No.
sense of belonging. The
It's
dog
so
barked
cute, it's so
playfully, a little
beautiful.
child giggled in the corner, and everyone greeted us like long host friends. What truly stayed with me was the view on the clear day. You can catch glimpses of Sleeping Buddha range from the Tumling itself. Though the clouds teased us that evening, their dance made the village even more mystical. Lunch was piping hot
Wow, tough
and
ass.
smoky, delicious.
স্যালাড আছে
আলু ভাজা, এটা একটা সবজি, পরে আসছে ডাল আর আন্ডা কারি। বাইরে মেঘলা উদয় আর আমরা এখন বসে এখানে খাচ্ছি। डॉली आपको नीचे जाना है, जाओ जाओ जाओ। টুমলিং একটা
Later in
ছোট্ট
the
গ্রাম।
evening, I went for a short walk, met fellow
কাকা দুধু
trekkers,
করছে।
exchanged stories, laughter,
দারুণ
photos,
মজা, নেটওয়ার্ক
those
নেই,
spontaneous
so you can
travel
enjoy your
friendships
freedom here.
that stay in
Nobody to
memory
call you.
forever.
लोग संदकफू जा रहे हो? ओहो, नाइस मीटिंग यू। এই সবাই মিলে যাচ্ছে, সব ট্রেকিং করছে। You look so beautiful. You all are coming from which place? Darjeeling. Okay, you all stay there only and going to Sandakphu. Go, I will meet you all tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll go by vehicle. Okay. Where will you all stay? होम स्टे, होम आल में रहेंगे आप लोग? अच्छा, हम सनराइज होटल पे ही रहेंगे। वो ठीक है, बाय बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट। এটা টুমলিং, কি দারুণ মজা হচ্ছে। হাই, ইয়ালা কামিং ফ্রম? Oh, Gangtok. And going to? Yeah, same thing here also. Tomorrow. Vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, so you are staying somewhere here? Where? Pasang में? ओ सिद्धार्थ होटल, अच्छा थोड़ा सा आगे है। थैंक यू। বিছানায় বসে মুড়ি সুড়ি দিয়ে আমাদের এখন চলছে।
In the evening, myself and Aditi enjoyed the snacks and the little one dancing around with the claps and the beats of the family. As night fell, the cold deepened, and wrapped in blankets, we ended the long, fulfilling day with a hearty dinner and slept under a sky full of mountain dreams. In my next vlog, Way to Sandakphu Day 2, you will watch us finally reach the dreamland. Stay tuned.